of a criminal case. Ms. Reed is charged with second-degree murder. She's also charged with manslaughter while operating under the influence and leaving the scene after causing personal injury or death. The scene of the alleged crime when we do go there. I will give you further instructions prior to our leaving for the view. Now, in this case, I'm going to allow...
We are here today because John O'Keefe was killed by the actions and conduct of that defendant, Karen Reed.
Open to some possible or imaginary doubt. A charge is proved beyond a reasonable doubt if, after you have compared and considered all the evidence you have in your...
A very intoxicated defendant was angry and arguing about the relationship with John O'Keefe. And after the fight was over, she left, but she brought the fight back to him in the form of her SUV. She clipped him, he fell backwards, he broke his head. And then this man who helped, a lifetime of help, was left at the corner of that yard, left to die with no help.
The court officers will be kind enough to help you.
This case carries a malignancy, one that is spread through the investigation, it's spread through the prosecution from the very start, from the jump. A cancer that cannot be cut out, a cancer that cannot be cured. And that cancer has a name. And his name is Michael Proctor.
I was just telling this nice guy that we drove here together, me and her.
Yeah, but I don't care. Yes, where are those on the news? That'd be awesome.
There's not a single part of this case, folks, not a single part, that he didn't touch, that he didn't direct, that he didn't orchestrate personally. Every single bit of it has his fingerprints on it. You'll learn that Michael Proctor was a longtime family friend of the Alberts. And he's been disgraced by his own agency. Not by us, by the Massachusetts State Police. Investigated, suspended, and fired.
Human beings is open to some possible or imaginary doubt. A charge is proved beyond a reasonable doubt.
Karen Reed is not guilty of hitting John O'Keefe with her SUV. There was no collision. She's the victim of a botched and biased and corrupted investigation that was never about the truth, folks. It was about preserving loyalty. You'll find that this case is the very definition of reasonable doubt.